Hi, I'm Nate with DEWALT. Today we're going to be talking about how to remove the blade and reinstall it on our DCS376 bandsaw. Please always refer to your instruction manual for proper operating instructions and the appropriate PPE to use while operating your tool. Please also be sure to follow any company or job site specific policies that may be in place. The first thing I'll do in my installation or removal of the blade is remove the battery from the tool to avoid any accidental activation of the tool. Next I'm doing is, you'll see I've got this placed with the blade facing down towards my work surface. I'm going to use the lever to release the tension. I'll then turn the tool over, and I have the blade here released. Gently grab the edges of the blade, watching for the sharp portions. Pull it out of the guide bearings and off the wheels, and now it's been removed. To reinstall, we're simply going to follow that in reverse. I'll first by putting the blade back into the guide bearings side. And then you're going to work the blade around the outside edges of the wheels, making contact with the rubber tires. Once everything is properly in place, I'll use my lever again to tighten it back onto the wheels. Reinstall my battery. What I want to do is I want to run this a couple times and make sure that the blade is on track and on the wheels. You want to make sure you're away from any other people while you're doing that. On our dual switch bandsaw, there are two switches, one in the rear, one in the front. It's rear switch and then front switch. Now I'll inspect to make sure that my blade is running along the edges in the guide bearings and on the tire. It is, so we've properly installed it and we're ready to go to work. Thank you for joining us. Please visit DEWALT.com for more information on our job site solutions. Thank you.